You may want to have the same display picture with your Facebook account and Instagram account every time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync profile picture on Facebook and Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app right over here. And from here, click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And you should be at your profile page. From here, click on this 3-bar line at the top right and click on settings. Now under the Meta logo, you should be able to see the Account Center option. So tap on Account Center and then click on Profiles right over here. And make sure that you have linked your Facebook and Instagram from this option. So just click on Add Accounts right here and add your Facebook account by following the instructions. So once you have added it, you should be able to see your Facebook account listed in here. So tap on that. And click on this one right here on your Facebook name and click on the toggle button right in line with the sync profile info option. So tap on that and then you will be asked on which profile to sync with. So this is the account that I am currently using. So I'm going to select that one and click on continue right over here. Just wait for it to load and then this window will pop up to confirm if you want to sync your profile information. Just click on sync profile info below and wait for it to be synced and then this info will pop up. And let's go back to the pages and reload our profile page. And as you can see, my profile picture has been synced with the one on my Facebook account. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.